Welcome to the Amazing Garrett Show. I'm Garrett, and today we are doing something new. As you guys have seen on my playlists, I am building the Hachette Battleship Bismarck. Unfortunately, due to certain restraints, I will no longer be continuing that build. On the other hand, though, a better option for me has been to get the Trumpeter kit of the 1/200 scale of the Bismarck. So that's now what we're going to transition. I'll leave that playlist up, but I am going to start this new playlist. So, kind of give you guys a reference here. So this is what the Hachette model, this is the size it was going to be. I held it up against the bow that is completed for Hachette and this one, and it is 1-to-1. So it'll be really neat. This will give me an opportunity. I'm going to paint the deck a wood color. I'm going to try that first before I buy one of the wooden ones. You know, kind of give myself, you know, a degree of difficulty with making it look authentic and yet maintaining my artistic ability. So this will be kind of the intro video to this new build. Stay tuned, and issue 1 or section 1 or part 1 of the Trumpeter Bismarck will be up on the site shortly. So this has been the Amazing Garrett Show. I'm Garrett. I'll see you guys later. All right, so first step that we are going to take, part 1 of the Trumpeter Bismarck is going to be just clearing off the plastic just to make it a little easier to show you guys. Okay, popping the deck off. All right, so we're going to be adding pieces of the keel. There we go. Get you guys to see it. The pieces of the keel there, and we'll be working on the propeller section. So put that down. Okay. So in our instruction booklets, we are working on D sprue. All right. So let's start from easiest to hardest. So I think step 1, just get my side cutters out. There they are. Alright, so step 1 is going to be this front piece of the bow. So go ahead and get it clipped here. There's piece 1. And piece 2. Okay, I'm going to set that off to the side. Now, see that a little bit, that there are these nubs, and they will fit right into the receiving end there, if we don't drop it. So I'm going to dry fit it first, as best I can. See how it looks. It's a little bowed there in the middle. You can see that, like so. The front looks all right. going to do, take our Tamiya extra thin cement here. Never used this Tamiya stuff before. Always super glue. Not ideal, but you can see how it fits up to this part of the hull. So, squish anything else. Okay. So. Fairly good fit. I have to putty it smooth. It's okay, it just looks like a tad bit bigger. So I'm going to hold it against it. Alright, so we're going to move on. So, next step is going to be these pieces of the keel. Alright, that looks really solid. There is a matter of this piece right here. So I'm going to hold it down. Some of the glue. Hold it in place. Just like that. Alright. Okay. So, those are the two pieces of the keel done. Now, the tricky part. I'm doing a balancing act here. Okay. Alright. You guys can kind of see that. Alright. So, we need something that's not in this box. Alright. Go find E. E35. Okay, I think E is in A box. Okay. E. There, on the end. Alright, so they're going to be right there. So without unwrapping everything, I'm going to just clipped the entire sprue. So that's not just hanging out somewhere. All right. So right, put the trash away. Let's see if I can't clean it up with my X-Acto a little better. All right, second one. Okay, now these will fit on. They are directional, so we'll go just like that. So it looks like Tamia Putty and I are going to get to be real good friends on this one, at least on the hull section. Okay, so here's first stage, and you can see quite a bit of gaps in there. I'll Tamia Putty all that up and sand it. I have to sand this part of the hull anyway. Some nice lines in it. Alright, so moving on from there, they want D35 and D36, which are going to be these two pieces here. Okay. Alright, so it looks like go in kind of like that. They're going to end up lining up. So, next thing that I'm going to do is 37 and 38. Okay. So, looks like not much to do. That's going to just fit right in there like that. Awesome. Make sure that they're... That was my X-Acto blade. Alright, I like it. Okay, so last thing I'm going to do before I let you guys go is check out, these are basically the crankshafts for the propellers. So I'm going to feed them through. Make sure that everything's lined up. Happy. Okay. So what I'm going to do now I am going to glue these supports. And I apologize, I will get better on the names of all the pieces. This is really my first trumpeter build ever. Alright everybody, so that was part one of the Trumpeter build of Bismarck. Sorry I got cut off there at the last minute, but basically I had just gotten everything lined up, setting everything up for the propellers. I'm not going to add the propellers yet because I want to make sure, I haven't dug them out of the box yet. I want to make sure that they're gold before I attach them to the ship. And with that, I will probably even wait until I get the keel sprayed with the dark red that I'm going to use for under the waterline. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm still kind of playing around with camera angles and stuff like that, so hope you guys bear with me. Hope you guys made it through. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and it's been a blast. It's my first trumpeter set. So this is the Amazing Garrett Show. I'm Garrett, and I hope to see you guys later.